everybody! This video is going to teach you how to make one of my favorite meals. We are going to be making protein pancakes today. Once you put an egg with the ARBONNE protein powder, it becomes a 26 grams of protein meal. So here's how it goes. I hope you enjoy.
This is so very simple. You start with an egg, 2 scoops of protein powder, almond milk, and a little vanilla. You whisk it together, and then you use unrefined coconut oil on your griddle. And I suggest making small pancakes. It just makes it easier for flipping. And once they start to sizzle just like regular pancakes, all you do is flip them. Messed that one up. I will keep you posted. Okay, next step is to get these delicious pancakes hot off the griddle. And then I'm going to top with a little bit of my favorite dairy-free chocolate chips. Just sprinkle a few. That's all it takes to get that little bit of chocolate. Okay, next step, I'm going to top with some fresh strawberries. Almost finished. A little bit of my very, very favorite coconut cream. Coconut cream ready whip. And lastly, a little bit of raw honey. I just drizzle a little bit. Just a little. And there